In front of me is nothing phone 3A Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock and tap on face unlock here. Enter your screen lock. Select Set Up at the bottom right corner and finally keep your face in frame. Follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!